Hello everyone. Welcome to another tutorial. In this video I am going to demonstrate how to control other devices using MNSP web application. I am logging in with my username. And going to the menu, selecting the IOT and selecting the matrix. You can see the matrix currently in testing mode. We are going to change that. Switch off the device. And now the device is blank and nothing is there. And it's initiating. I am going to type the following message. Demonstrate the data transmission via IoT on LED by MNSP. And I am giving repeat as -1 and click update. Now the message is updated and I am going to initiate. It's asking for the final confirmation and I have given yes. And now it's initiated. The data transmitted on the device. This is the way we can control any device using a web application powered by MNSP. Thank you for watching this video.